Very good morning, dear friends. Any nation belongs to whom? To you, to me, or whose is this nation? India, that is Bharat, or for that matter, any nation belong to whom? This nation belongs to that patriotic person who is responsible and who knows that he has a great sense of responsibility towards the motherland. As one of the great leaders told, give me blood, I give you freedom. The Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi told, this country is ours and every citizen of this country should have social justice, free from poverty, free from illiteracy, from all wants and everything else. And he expressed a great desire to wipe the tears from every eyes. And when India became independent, our beloved Prime Minister made a famous speech, Tryst with Destiny. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. Now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. Dear friends, how far we have succeeded? The society is full of greed, full of envy, jealousy, hatred, corruption. And the growth and development of this society has not reached every sister and brother of this great nation. It's pity. Even Rabindranath Tagore had a dream for this great nation where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free and where the world is not divided into fragments and where the world is not broken up into fragments of narrow domestic walls, where the words come from the depth of the truth and where the untiring efforts spreads its wings towards perfection. Dear friends, there are innumerable great patriotic Indians who have dreamed like that. But still, the society has not got the justice. It has to be nurtured and protected with some selfless, truthful and pure leaders. In this context, I remember one poem composed by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, and the title of this poem is From Parashuram Ki Pratigya. Let's hear this poem. वीरता जहाँ पर नहीं पुण्य का क्षय है, वीरता जहाँ पर नहीं पुण्य का क्षय है, वीरता जहाँ पर नहीं स्वार्थ की ही जय है। तलवार पुण्य की सखी धर्म पालक है, लालच पर अंकुश कठिन लोभ सालक है। असी छोर भीरु बन जहाँ धर्म सोता है, असी छोर भीरुवन जहाँ धर्म सोता है, पातक प्रचंडतम वहीं प्रकट होता है। तलवारें सोती जहाँ बंद म्यानों में, किस्मतें वहीं सरती है तहखानों में। बलिवेदी पर बालियां नथें चढ़ती हैं, सोने की ईंट मगर नहीं करती है। पूछो कुबेर से कब सुवर्ण वो देंगे, यदि आज नहीं तो सुयस और कब लेंगे। तूफान उठेगा, प्रलय बाण छूटेगा, है जहां स्वर्ग बम वहीं शात फूटेगा। जो करें किंतु कंचन यह नहीं बचेगा, जो करें किंतु कंचन यह नहीं बचेगा। शायद सुवर्ण पर ही संहार मचेगा। हम पर अपने पापों का बोझ न डालें, कह दो सबसे अपना दायित्व संभालें। कह दो प्रपंचकारी कपटी जाली से, आलसी अकर्मठ काहिल हड़ताली से। सीले जवान चुपचाप काम पर जाओ, हम यहाँ रक्त वे घर पर श्वेत बहाएं। हम दें उन्हें जो विजय, हमें तुम बल दो। हम दे दें उसको विजय, हमें तुम बल दो। दो शस्त्र और अपना संकल्प अटल दो। हो खरे लोग कटिबद्ध वहाँ यदि घर में, हों खरे लोग कटिबद्ध वहाँ यदि घर में। है कौन हमें जीते जो यहाँ समर में। Dear friends, this is only possible through enlightening of the soul. A sense of self-responsibility has to come to every individual. This is not confined to one country, that is India. That is a universal problem. There are few people who love their country. They work day and night to see that the country is developing. The country is free from all wants, malnutrition, energy problems, medical facilities, and there is a smile on every face. All the citizens of this world are happy and prosperous. They enjoy the blessings of the every dedicated people of this world. Now this world has become one. The geographical boundaries are being eroded and eliminated. The benefits of the development of the Europeans and the Americans are also showering to India. There is a globalization. There is expansion. The world has become one. So here the role of every citizen of this world has become much more demanding and much more sacrificing. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarvabhadrani pashyantu, ma kasyat dukh bhag bhavet, vasudhaiva kutumbakam. That has been proved long back by our revered great Guru Swami Vivekananda when he addressed the Americans, sisters and brothers of America. Yes, the whole world is a family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Let's unite, work coherently with a common goal to shower peace, happiness, prosperity, welfare of every individual on this earth, simultaneously protecting our environment where we will survive. Selfishness will ruin this world. The greed will spoil this world. We should not only think, we should feel. We should feel. And the dreams of our great fathers of the nation should be realized unitedly, coherently, collectively. Thank you very much for hearing. I wish this planet should be a smart planet, where there is no threat, where there is no fear, where there is no violence, when there is no greed. There is only peace, happiness and prosperity. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.